Hi, I'm James Byrne and I'm looking to represent you in the general election. I'm looking to deliver real and positive change for Louth East Meath. If elected, I have 5 main priorities. I want to make housing affordable for those looking to rent or buy. I want to make healthcare accessible to all who need it, when they need it, regardless of their income. I want Ireland to lead the way on tackling climate change and ensure we all have a cleaner, greener future. As a teacher, I believe education opens doors to opportunity. I want to deliver more schools for our growing community. And I want to end commuter misery and deliver public transport that works for everybody. I want to be your voice to deliver the real and positive change that our community needs. My name is James Byrne, your general election candidate. If you want a strong voice for Louth East Meath in Dáil Éireann, vote James Byrne #1, because your cause is my cause.